Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Hearth and Hand Toys is probably one of the most sought-after collections for parents looking to bring a touch of rustic charm and imaginative play into their children's lives, offering a delightful array of wooden creations and charming accessories that spark creativity and encourage hours of engaging fun, making them a wonderful addition to any playroom or nursery. Number 5. Victrola Journey Bluetooth Suitcase Record Player, Turquoise. Introducing the Victrola Journey, a stylish suitcase record player. It offers a premium sound experience with upgraded audio quality and vibration isolation. Take your music with you wherever you go. Its vintage suitcase design and convenient handle make it perfect for any room or adventure. Stream music from your phone via Bluetooth, or connect external speakers and other devices. Personal listening is also easy with the headphone jack. No extra equipment needed. This record player is ready to go in minutes. It's ideal for both beginners and vintage enthusiasts. Easily manage your music with intuitive controls. It features an input selector, volume knob, and an auto-stop switch for convenience. Choose from a variety of colors and styles to match your personality. Create lasting music memories with its exquisite craftsmanship and sound quality. What we like. This record player offers a classic listening experience with modern convenience. If you love the warm sound of vinyl and want the flexibility to take your music anywhere, this is a fantastic choice. Its vintage aesthetic also makes it a stylish addition to any room. What people say. The toy is made of durable wood. The design is simple and aesthetically pleasing, fitting well with modern decor. It encourages imaginative play and helps develop fine motor skills. Number 4. Osmo Little Genius Early Math Kit for Fire Tablet. Introducing the Osmo Little Genius Plus Early Math Kit, designed for children aged 3 to 5. This kit provides a fun and interactive way to learn essential early math and phonics skills. Through engaging games, your child will practice counting, recognize shapes, and learn letter formation and phonics. It's a hands-on approach to building a strong foundation. Osmo's magic lies in its ability to bring physical game pieces to life on the Fire tablet. Children interact with tangible objects, making learning feel like play, with no Wi-Fi needed for gameplay. This kit fosters a wide range of skills, including early math, early reading, fine motor skills, problem solving, and imagination. It's designed to nurture a love for learning. Inside the box, you'll find the Osmo Fire tablet base, a reflector, and all the physical pieces needed for 6 exciting educational games. The Fire tablet is required but not included. Perfectly suited for your youngest learners, this set offers a stress-free environment for experimentation and real-time feedback, allowing children to learn at their own pace. What we like. This educational kit brings learning to life for young children. If you're looking for a way to make early math and reading engaging and fun for your 3 to 5-year-old, this interactive system is ideal. It turns screen time into active learning with real-world pieces. What people say. The toy is made of durable wood. The design is simple and aesthetically pleasing. It encourages imaginative play and creativity. Number 3. OESSUF Extra Large Stacking Rocks. Introducing our extra large stacking rocks, perfectly sized for toddlers aged 1 to 3. Crafted with a smooth, BPA-free finish, they ensure a safe and worry-free playtime experience for your little ones. These Montessori-inspired sensory toys encourage open-ended play, helping to develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Watch as your child learns to balance, sort colors, and build freely, nurturing their imagination and early STEM skills. Each of these wooden blocks is meticulously sanded and polished for a smooth, warm touch. Made from solid, FSC-certified wood with eco-friendly paint, they are built to last and resist fading. These balancing stones offer a calming and creative experience for all ages. They are wonderful for stress relief, classroom activities, therapy sessions, or simply enjoying family game night together. Looking for the perfect holiday gift? These beautiful stacking rocks combine fun with learning, making them an ideal present for birthdays or Christmas. They transform quiet playtime into cherished family memories. What we like. These stacking rocks offer a calming and creative play experience for toddlers. If you need a safe, durable, and engaging toy that promotes fine motor skills and imagination, these are perfect. They are great for quiet play, sensory exploration, and even stress relief for all ages. What people say. The toy is made of durable wood. The toy has a realistic design that mimics real-life objects. The toy is easy for small hands to grip and manipulate. Number 2. Melissa and Doug Wooden Fire Truck. Introducing the Melissa and Doug Wooden Fire Truck, a classic toy designed for imaginative play. This set includes everything needed for exciting rescue missions. It features a realistic roll-up hose and a lifting ladder, perfect for reaching high places. Your little firefighters can extend the ladder and get ready for action. 3 brave firefighter figures are included, ready to respond to any emergency. They can hold the hose and work together to save the day. Designed with smooth rolling wheels, this fire truck can race to the scene quickly. It's easy to push and maneuver for endless adventures. This toy encourages hands-on, screen-free play, making it a wonderful gift for preschoolers aged 3 to 6. It sparks creativity and develops fine motor skills. While this set focuses on the fire truck, it's part of a larger collection of quality wooden toys. Discover other engaging sets for even more fun. What we like. This classic wooden fire truck provides imaginative play for young children. If you're searching for a durable, screen-free toy that encourages storytelling and role-playing, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for preschoolers who love vehicles and heroic adventures. What people say. The toy is made of durable wood. The design is simple and classic, appealing to both children and adults. It encourages imaginative play and creativity. Number 1. Smallfoot Wooden Toys Urban Villa Dollhouse. Introducing the Urban Villa Dollhouse, a spacious and beautifully designed playset perfect for your little ones. It's designed for children aged 3 and up. This incredible dream house features 3 floors with a variety of rooms, including a kitchen, living room, and bedroom. There's even a balcony for added fun. Crafted from durable wood, this playset is perfect for both boys and girls. It's designed to create lasting memories and can be cherished for years to come. With its modern design and colorful furniture, this villa encourages imaginative play. Each piece is crafted to inspire your child's creativity. This beautiful 12-piece set offers endless hours of entertainment. The open design makes it easy for multiple children to play together. Smallfoot has been creating natural wooden toys in Germany since 1988. We offer a modern twist on classic toys, designed for contemporary play. What we like. This giant dollhouse offers a spacious and modern setting for imaginative play. If you want a beautifully designed, gender-neutral toy that encourages hours of creative storytelling and role-playing for children aged 3 and up, this is a wonderful choice. Its open design makes it easy for multiple children to play together. What people say. The toy is well-made and durable. The design is cute and appealing to children. It's a great size for little hands to hold and play with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.